everyone. I'm at Houston Airport. I'm on the way back to Vancouver. Yesterday I met with Scott Horowitz, our new advisor. He's an ex-NASA astronaut. It was a great meeting. Really good to connect with him. He's very, very intelligent, very wise. There's a lot to add to the discussion. And tomorrow I'll get back in the saddle and be working on the data lines. See you guys soon.
Hey guys, so yesterday I completed the car parking communication protocol and I created a video script for a new video that we're making with a robots company for drone rescue scenario. And today I started working on the media and press page for our new website, created a sketch for it, and I continued working on another cooperation that we're making with California Maritime Academy for an app that will allow to take selfies using an autonomous boat on the sea. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hi, everyone. Yesterday, I coordinated the publication of our announcement for our newest advisory board member, Nick Johnson. I also prepared some pre-sale documents for our pre-sale community members. Today, I'll be with Alick at a meeting with EcoMotion, and I'll be drafting our newsletter together with Joe. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alick here. Yesterday, me and Tal had a Skype call with one of our new partners. They are in the autonomous rover industry, and what we started doing is brainstorming towards our upcoming POC, filmed POC with them. That's super exciting. Today I formed our meetup channel, so you guys can actually go out and check us out on Meetup. And that's it. Have a good day, guys. Bye.
Hi guys. Yesterday I worked at new amazing website. Today I'll continue work for it. I'll make our website in sensual minimalism and exercise simplicity, like all DAV project. Today I'll make first draft and after then I'll start new task, banner ADS. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday worked on the website mock-up. Also did some work in regards to some advisors, did some other things around the overall brand strategy, starting to get that to cross over the rest of the brand, paid advertising, sort of the full gamut across the board. Today, my main focus has been, well, first off, we had a few meetings, meeting with Noam, meeting with Rachel and John, meeting with Ronnie and Bach Janelle, our advisor, which led to a few other changes to the website. We also got the first iteration back from our graphic designer on the website, which looks awesome. So I'm really, really excited about that. Had to make a bunch of tweaks and adjustments today, so that's what has eaten up a lot of my day. Sent that back to Yurii. Also working on additional advisor work, a few meetings we had, doing some follow-up there. And overall, just paid strategy as well, working with our new paid marketer to go ahead and get that up and running, working on some ads. So busy all around, gearing up for the next month or two. And that's about it for today. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.